Mali.
Mali, come. You won't come. Because there are a lot of other people also here. We'll go all the way around, survey the area. Come on.
I never imagined that old people would like hip hop, man. Like, come on, man. So my name is Carisio Azevedo, aka Bongisio.
My name is Joel Pereira. Okay, my stage name is Basic. Since school days, like taking part to in singing competitions, all right, then playing for the church in the choir, then drilling guitars, then jamming out with your friends, playing for concerts, then finally getting a passion of DJing. So I had a 2 3 year phase that I was DJing. I was a resident DJ at Kamaki's also.
My name is Basic, I'm going something. What's a Bombay out round Shigla white and body come call me Sudi and Sodka.
I didn't get much shows or perform anywhere, so I wouldn't get much shows. I was basically mostly working.
It had affected me because I was more into live music before getting into like getting into studio rap or stuff like that, or getting into making your own tracks as such. So
You could work from home. Okay, your timings were adjustable, so you could I got more free space in my mind to make music. So that's where new ideas started coming. I mean, during lockdown, like being all to yourself, your mind started playing games with you. So unlock many things. Something may inspire you, something may even depress you, something may make you happy, something make you sad. So like if you get channel all those things and write it down on paper into a song, no, I think so that makes a hit track.
Mama, você não eu sabe o que eu fazer.
So there are many people who used to send me beats, but the only thing was that because of the lockdown, it gave me so much time that I could sit and think of what to write and what to. Basically, when the lockdown started, all I got to know that how the real world works.
Going by blood, Solar zone, room, room, footlet road, spoon, azunami, zoom, zoom, office looking fly.
Yeah.
Just like doom, doom, the rules in life, put out like salt, boom, boom. Yes, man, I would obviously make more tracks and try to incorporate and get involve people in it.
So I would be teaching in a school or college because since we have to sit at home and work on our worksheets and whatever it is.
So yeah, that's I think so. If we were if the lockdown never occurred, I would be out there somewhere performing. This is what happened. I made another one, but once I made these tracks, I noticed that people actually started reacting very well to them.
We focused more on trying to get a vibe where we could literally get everybody's heads moving.
Rita Nikori,
Wow.
Bori Majizori,
Yeah.
Kazwatsu mixed with lifestyle story.
Yeah.
So if you go to see in our tracks, we've not tried to fake flex anything. We've just been spot on and we've just told that what happens in our day-to-day life, what happens in every Goan's life. All of this happened during the lockdown because we got a lot of time to think about ourselves and try to find out who we are.
Ata Ike, Sangta Kiten,
Okay.
Deva Chenauna, Zaina Kiten.
I always wanted to make a rap song. I don't know. It didn't really bother to me what language it was going to be in. I तेव्हा किती कारांदा लायला बंद कर there used to be these beats are to this, but the actual scene was, if you notice, the older people, they like Konkani music because they can understand the words what they are saying, and it was never the music, it was always the words that attracted them. So basically when people used to hear all this English rap and it was being rapped fast, it was difficult for them to understand. They would be like, what is this?
Don't require Uber, just face it. Mama's blessings on my head. Have you made it?
People would love to, I mean, at least Konkani music industry would love to have a kind of a change in that, because we've been having pop, we've been having jazz culture for quite a long time. Why can't we have a hip hop culture but with Konkani in it, not having too much explicit words and not trying to harm anybody's feelings, but you're trying to change lives, trying to touch people's minds by getting the reality out, trying to relate to what people have gone through. That will at least let people try to speak Konkani and try to save our language. So that was the whole motive.
As you know, before when hip hop came into life in the Western industry, people found it very new, unique, and very hard to replicate. But now you go to see everyone in English raps. So someone had to be there, some people have to be there to like, you know, to inspire or to show, put it out there, like even we can rap in Konkani, no tension. You may find the people must have thought it's very difficult, like, you know, because Konkani is quite a tongue twist when you rap, and also you have to actually sit and think and rhyme, put your rhymes down. Why rap? See, I personally don't stick to any genre. I like all genres, but rap because there's a hype right now, and that to this rap. Why? Because it was something new to the Konkani industry. Because hardly you hear any tracks about rap. But yeah, I'll be making many more genres of Konkani music. But rap was the only, like, as you say, the unique selling point to, like, you know, right now in this time when this youth or this generation is thriving on a particular, like, you know, genre. Why not just step inside and get Konkani in it?
Sobre el número uno, no pesa yo paquino, no sos vegas de amigos, só da mogação contigo.
The world is the audience. Our target is already Goa. So Goa is targeting the world right now. So basically our target, if you listen, we made this Konkani rap, everyone of all ages. If you notice, there's no swears in our track. So it's clean. It is some track which can be played on FM, on air also.
Drop a yoga pose right there. From Takara chilling with my fam. Good friends around me with the jam.
Only once we had to go and record at the Backgate Studios where we both of us went. That's it. And then later the video was shot, I think so, by calling our close friends to be in it. Alright, few help we got, like, you know, and the rest, like Carisio's, who all his friends and his own whole house production team and all helped us. So that's how we, like, you know, plotted everything and got this video done.
Okay, generally we were supposed to have MJ, he's a social activist also, but he was not well, he was ill, and then he couldn't make it. Then there was rains, there was a storm, and then we had to push in dates. And if you go to see, the difficulties were the dates and, you know, trying to get us out. And since there was the lockdown happening, we had everything tied up and we had a very less time span, and we had decided a date to drop in the track.
This is how we hit the road, bam. With my turbo kicking in, hot damn. Downshifting on the freeway, cutting through traffic the Wakanda way.
Keeping that in mind, that was the most difficult thing to clean up the lyrics, because Joel would be like, "Arey, ye kaad re." And I'd be like, "Joel, just shut up, man. Why the hell are you telling me to do that? Everybody's doing it. Like, don't do what everybody's doing. Do something unique." So I'm like, "Yeah, so wow, you're going to try to get the spice from our track." It's like, spice is not swearing and being harsh all the time. I'm just giving a rough number. I think it must have crossed many of the mastering time that we have worked on it, but that was also a very difficult thing that we had to go through.
We did everything almost by ourselves. Only we had to, like, spend a little bit for the studio recording and, like, you know, maybe to shoot and get those equipments. That's it, which we managed quite well. So, like, yeah, we didn't face any issue on finance. It was quite a small budget.
Hey, don't jump on the floor, make your body move your mind, put your mind control. If you think you're riding on the right road, just hit the track with the doobie roll.
We have this friend of ours, Ingrid, who actually has a company which is called Spinnings, and she makes hula hoops at home. And I got into hula hoop, like, you know, when the lockdown happened, we used to chill here, so I used to learn stuff from her. So we thought, like, why don't we use hula hoops in that? It's a good thing for fitness too. People can work on that. So we were thinking all terms, okay? We were not just letting people think, like, you know, we have used it for the heck of it.
At the Ike, Sangta Kiten.
Okay.
Deva Chenauna, Zaina Kiten.
So the hoops, as you said, was given to us by Ingrid, the owner of Spinnings, and she's a good friend too. And the JCB was provided by Sheldon Constructions. Sheldon is a good friend of mine too.
I don't feel we are connected. I think so there should be one phase in the future where we all be connected, like, you know, and so, like, you know, we all can contribute and, like, you know, make a lot of tracks, like, you know, being like the artists from Goa, like, you know, so, like, you know, people will know, like, Goa is a state, like, something not to be messed with, and there's a lot of artists happening. We have a lot of talent, by the way, a lot of talent.
As I said, our whole motive is to get Konkani rap in the picture. And if our young talents and new artists try to come in and try to rap in Konkani, I'm not just saying that I will do tracks with people who are going to be doing tracks in Konkani. But yeah, generally, I will do tracks with whoever is, wanting to showcase their talents.
And even if you don't like something over a track or something, if you feel there's something offending you, please do feel free in getting in touch with us and like DMing us if you have any queries. Now also this Molam was coming. If you have any ideas like okay, why don't you do this track? Why don't you rap on this? Why don't you make this type of genre?
For the young rappers, I feel keep writing, keep putting down rhymes, get a flow, because practice makes people perfect. Even I couldn't rap, so as I'm saying it to the person who's looking at me right now, why don't you take a free? Why just don't you put on your YouTube and just type on a free beat and just try to say something that you went through today, something that happened in your life. Just try it out and see that you will also be like, okay, this is something interesting. Keep your mind busy. That's the note.